Hi everyone, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of two of the most popular personal finance platforms out there, WalletHub and NerdWallet. We'll look at everything from their core features and their pricing with their pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which platform might work best for your financial journey. Plus, I'll throw in a few bonus alternatives at the end in case neither of these quite fits your style. WalletHub was created with a very specific mission to help you reach what they call top financial fitness. It's especially strong if you're someone focused on credit health. WalletHub gives you free daily credit score updates, detailed credit reports, and personalized action plans to help you boost your credits. But it's not just about credits. They also offer tools to compare credit cards, loans, insurance options, and even help you find local financial professionals. The platform feels more hands-on, giving you recommendations and alerts based on your credit profile. Now, NerdWallet has a broader focus. It positions itself as a financial education powerhouse, offering in-depth comparison across everything from credit cards, mortgages, saving loans, to investing platforms and insurance, you name it. If it involves your money, chances are NerdWallet has a detailed article or calculator for it. But what really makes NerdWallet stand out is its content. You find thousands of guides, explainers, and tips written in a way that's super digestible, even for financial beginners. It's more of a research and learning hub, with tools built around discovery and planning. So in short, WalletHub is more credit-focused and data-driven, while NerdWallet is more content-rich and product comparison-focused. Now let us dive into the main features of both platforms. First, WalletHub. Free credit scores and full credit reports that are updated daily. Yes, daily, which is pretty rare. A credit analysis dashboard that shows your debt levels, inquiries, open accounts, and gives you tips to improve your credit. Personalized alerts like credit score changes or suspicious activity. Financial comparison tools for credit cards, loans, banks, auto insurers, and lots more. And of course, a Q&A community where users can ask finance questions and get answers from WalletHub editors or other users. Now let us switch to NerdWallet. At NerdWallet, you get the ability to link your bank accounts, track spending, and see your net worth over time. You have a clean and intuitive budgeting tool that is great for people who want to build a plan around saving goals. There's extensive product comparison tools from mortgages and student loans to credit cards and robo-advisors. There's also a free credit score offered, which is powered by TransUnion, and it is updated weekly, not daily. And lastly, there is a robust educational content offered on the platform. You will find guides, articles, calculators, and interactive tools that help you plan everything from buying a home to building an emergency fund. So while WalletHub leans more into credit improvement and tracking, NerdWallet leans into financial education, product discovery, and spending visibility. Now let us talk about the pricing. WalletHub is mostly free. There's a free platform. There is a free account that is run as the basic one. You can access your credit reports, your score, and many tools without paying a dime. But of course, they do offer a premium plan and a premium plus plan. The premium plan currently goes at $3.99 per month when billed annually, and with this you're saving 50% of the old price. And the premium plus plan goes for $5.24 per month when billed annually, and you're also saving 50% of the old price. With this, you have everything in basic plan and more. NerdWallet, on the other hand, is free for general use. Most of its tools for comparison and educational content are completely open to anyone. Now let us weigh the pros and cons so you can really start to see what might work best for you. We'll start with the pros. For WalletHub, daily credit score updates, which is a huge plus if you're actively improving your credits. Great tools for debt and credit management. It is completely free for most core features. And useful alerts and monitoring for fraud and changes. And for NerdWallet, There's excellent learning resources and how-to guides. There's a super intuitive layout which is ideal for beginners, and it is great for comparing cards, loans, insurance, and investment platforms. There's also a budget tracking that gives a holistic financial view. Now let's go over to the cons. We start with WalletHub. The interface can feel a bit data heavy for new users. Not as many educational articles are found there. It is more of a tool than a teacher. And for NerdWallet, the credit score updates are only weekly, not daily. Some product rankings may be influenced by affiliate partnerships. And budgeting features are good, but not as in-depth as dedicated apps like YNAB. So what's the verdict? Which one should you use? Well, if your top priority is monitoring your credit health, WalletHub is hard to beat. That daily score update and the depth of the credit reports makes it a favorite for people who are working toward credit recovery or trying to qualify for big purchases like a home or car. But if you're someone who wants to learn more about your money, you want to compare products and find the best options for your personal solution, whether it's a credit card, an insurance policy, or a savings account, NerdWallet might be your go-to. In fact, many users actually use both, WalletHub for their credit tracking and NerdWallet as a research companion. And at the end of the day, they serve slightly different financial goals, and the best one for you would ultimately depend on where you are in your journey. That's it on the comparison between WalletHub and NerdWallet. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Mint, Buy Intuit, Credit Karma, and Rocket Money. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.